Whether you're promoting an event, advertising a business, creating classroom materials, or designing wall art, Canva makes it incredibly easy to create professional-looking posters. With thousands of customizable templates and powerful editing tools, you can design a great poster in just a few minutes. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to make a poster in Canva step by step, so let's get started. First, sign in to your Canva account. Then type poster into the search bar or click Create a Design and choose the poster format. Canva will open a new canvas with the recommended poster dimensions. Next, browse Canva's collection of poster templates and select one that matches your project. Whether it's for a concert, school event, business promotion, or inspirational artwork, there's a template for almost every purpose. Yeah, every element can be customized later. Now replace the sample text with your own headline, event details, contact information, or message. You can also replace the default images with your own photos or choose alternatives from Canva's media library. Clear information and eye-catching visuals are the foundation of an effective poster. Open the Elements panel to add icons, shapes, illustrations, frames, or decorative graphics. Use these elements to support your message, but avoid adding too many so your poster stays clean and easy to read. Next, adjust the colors, fonts, spacing, and alignment to match your theme or brand. Using a consistent color palette and limiting the number of fonts will give your poster a more polished and professional appearance. When your poster is finished, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG or JPG for digital use, or select PDF print if you're planning to print the poster. Using the correct file format helps maintain the best possible quality. And that's how to make a poster in Canva. With ready-made templates, simple editing tools, and high-quality export options, you can create impressive posters for almost any purpose without needing advanced design skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.